We are back at the outlets because last night my mom realized that the shirts that she bought were too small, and so now she's returning them, and I think she wants to get a hat like this too. I'm pretty sure she told me that she wanted that. So I think she's going to return her t-shirts that she bought, and then she's going to get a hat like this. It's real cool. Of the sign night. We are heading towards the Hoover Dam. My brother is
What's
driving.
up? I'm driving.
Oh jeez. Hands on the wheel. Mom's in the back, Steph's sleeping, Auntie Diane, Alfred's in the zone, Jake's in the back there. It was raining a little bit, but now it's kind of cleared, so I'm hoping that we head towards the part of the sky that's blue and not gray. I hope that's where Boulder City is, which we'll be passing in about 4 miles maybe. And then we'll be in Colorado for a little bit, and I think the Hoover Dam's in Colorado. Maybe we can stop at Boulder City and get some Hoover Dam stuff. I don't know if it's that cool, but we'll see. Someone told me that they have pieces of the machine that are bigger than like parts of houses or like actual houses. So that'd be cool to see if we do a tour inside. It's not too expensive. Again?
Maybe someday we can buy one of these houses.
Would you want to buy a house here?
It's hot.
It's hot. That's why it's not so expensive.
Yeah, but they have air conditions.
I guess.
Solar power.
Huh?
It's solar power. The electricity.
Oh, yeah. I guess that works. Oh no. I totally missed the sign.
We're in Colorado?
No.
We're in Colorado? I missed it too.
I think you did. No, because as you were driving, the van in front of us, or to the side of us, he was driving at a speed that covered the sign. So disappointing.
So that
Nobody's
is
fault, but
Colorado.
just couldn't happen. Well, Mommy,
Where are we going?
we are going to the Hoover Dam. Oh,
Pioneers.
I'm
You missed the
missing
Pioneers.
everything. Jeez. I'm asking my mom's questions that we should know this by now.
Whatever this blue sign is, just get it.
I know, right?
Hoover
I just
Dam,
missed
it's a 10.
everything. Hoover Dam. Yes, travel time 10, assuming it's minutes. So annoying.
The ones. Just take a picture.
Oh.
Oh, you want to do the
Time lapse.
It is 61 degrees and these crazy kids don't have any jackets. Huh? Yeah, they're crazy. It's pretty cold and the elevators are down, so we have to take the stairs. But we are at the Hoover Dam and we are going to explore it, and it looks like everything is made out of the same material of the nature. How do you say that? It looks
the earth.
It looks like they took the stones and the boulders from the nature and they created buildings. That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Marion?
It's like magic.
Not magic, just
Science, construction,
ingenuity, human intelligence, and
So much.
construction.
America.
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 Amen. Amen, America.
Who?
There's entity. Huh? I know. See the car? America. Mom, are you excited?
Yeah, but I feel cold.
Yep. Me too.
How about like this, my head?
You're looking cool. You're looking cool. Oh, at least there's sun. Here, Marian, come down here. We're going down. What do you mean?
Wait, you over here downstairs.
Also, I'm the only one that walks out?
You and Marion.
Alright, that's fine with me. Put that leg to work. Yeah, me and Marion are just gonna go and we'll drive down.
And you too. Where's
So here we are. First thoughts? I don't know. It's a dam. There's the bridge. Here it goes down. Alright. We got tickets to the Hoover Dam, the power plant tour. We're not allowed to bring our snacks, so my brother had to go back upstairs and bring the snacks home. What?
Stephanie
Hi,
lost her
guys.
food.
No, she didn't lose it. They brought it back.
Mama Marion at halfway through the way.
What?
Get a
Mama Marion, what?
We're halfway through the way.
Oh.
My brother's lotion.
Again? Another lotion? Same lotion.
I feel bad for her.
Respond. Hey, no firearms allowed.
We should tell him, yeah.
Except for the police. The police, it's alright.
to wear.
Oh, what?
Stairs.
Oh, brace?
Yeah. It's in Amazon.
What an athlete! Look at you looking real cool with your teal jacket and beard. Shaka, guys. Shaka. Thank you. Let's go.
But with 7 states disputing how much of the river's water each could claim, construction of a dam, any dam, was only a dream. But in 1921, Secretary of Commerce Herbert Hoover joined representatives from the 7 states to seek out a solution to equal. Amid the country's economic uncertainty, the workers in this canyon gave new life to the nation's spirit as they gave new life to the desert Southwest.
This is an engineering victory of the first order. Another great achievement of American resourcefulness, American skill, and American determination. And that is why I have the right once more to congratulate you who have builded Hoover Dam. And on behalf of the nation, to say to you, well done.
Marion, after watching that movie, don't you feel so proud to be an American?
Yeah. So good to be a human too.
I know, right? I feel so proud.